Welcome again, guys. Welcome to wonderful day in the bars beats. You see it? So, you see today again, review time. We're going to review another bad song. This is a song done by Rajahwhild. Before we go no further, just implore you guys, subscribe. Click the notification bell if you want the latest videos. See it? Alright. Here we watch it now. Well, the song is acclaimed to take the dirty money rhythm. It's called Go Go. Well, we have reviewed this song today. We have reviewed this today. We can't make it pass. It's a good while I pre it out and I study the whole context of the song. And I say, you know what? Full time for it dropping us, so we have review it. Why you will not think about it. Right? We are going to go in there, we are going to decode it. We're going to tell you everything at the end of the day. So you know what? Run it.
Bars beat, bars beat.
Sinful. Alright, but you're Russian. Well, you say we are fuck up tonight. Mecca, taboo. Anything you say a lie, no man.
Tell her something when you don't know. Me like bad bitch, me like go-go. She like tapping, she like zone out. Let's see the chatting, you something with your throat all. No one a shy, she have a whore out. Puss in your mouth, make it come to your nose all. Come on, I see now you for know some girl call. And if she no monkeys, I no love her just mockings, me know about. Alright, but
Hold on.
Bars beat, bars beat.
Yo, let me tell you something. This man has said some things, you know. This man has said some things. One thing I can tell you, this is a song I can't play in a church. So get that out of the way. You see it? Alright. So we have a decode where I must say a little bit. See it? So I must say, let me tell you something that I don't know. I have to go in it in a little different way. Let me tell you something where you don't know. I'm like, bad bitch, which ladies, I'm like, go-go. Go-go's are strippers, right? Right, exotic dancers in a better term. Alright? I'm like when them pop pills, and the pills that them I talk about, there are some like mollies, roofling, them type of pills that make you get excited by the dance floor. Right? The girl them will love zone out, and zone out I mean like pass out, get drunk, get high, them type of thing there. Less chattings, meaning he's not in the bag of talking. He wants something like a chotol and well, I mean not take no rocket science to know say a penis in my talk. Penis in your mouth, that he must say. So remember when me write the song, nobody kill me, you know. Nobody kill me, and me write the song, I'm decoding the song. So nobody DM me and all start sitting and say, boy, and me write the song. So make we move that out of the way. A fire. Alright. So you know a shy girl, she have to whore out. See? So him no wanna Mother Teresa. Straight out of the way. Zane, busting in your throat, come to your nose hole. Him talking about sperm. Right? Come. Alright? So that's why him there. But as I say, he might talk in mind here, sir. He might talk in mind, him now hiding in a closet and say things in office. So straight up, and that him depend. So I could go further into this song because the song has some things I want to hear him say.
I'm fire! Alright, but in charge. Stop it, man. So you go with jazz. Clean skin, pussy, fatty, brother. When pocket tight, so when cap it fast. And it not take long for me drop it jazz. I fast my jigs off my dark, that is dark.
She have to stop when she tap that. Style low, hey girl.
Tell us something when you do.
The man say, it not take him long. It not take him long for him drop the jazz. So it means it not take him too long for him get his sex. Well, that's what that line is about. It don't take him long to drop the drawers. Don't take him long to drop the panty. I must say, okay?
Tell her something when you don't know. Me like bad bitch, me like go-go. She like popping, she like zone out. Let's see the chatting, you something with your throat all. No one a shy, she have a whore out. Puss in your mouth, make it come to your nose all. Come on, I see now you for know some girl call. And if she no monkeys, I no love her just monkeys, me know yet. A late night, she a bring you on my doorstep. She dey pass she head, pass she knee, pass she toe them. And she a tell me she don't like poor sex. Cause life is a hustle like Forex. Come from me worse, she come from me.
Hey, you hear that line there? Listen, before we go in the line, you hear the line? The line said, she said life is a hustle like 4X. That line is bad. Because Hustle is a magazine. right? A magazine is a porn show. I think so, you know. Right? 4X, as you know, 4X deal with X-rated stuffs. So life is a hustle. And the life is a hustle mean life is hard. Hustle, the magazine. For it. When I get it, I hope when I get it, you know. I hope when I get it. See? So that's in the part. But the second verse we might talk about is basically about the girl now. The first verse was mainly about him. Second verse about the girl talking about what she like. She not like no poor sex. She come and place late at night, come give it sex to him and so forth, and she complain and I tell him what she like from what she don't like. See? Because life is also like 4X and is more like, as I say, go thing. So, alright? Move on.
Bars beat.
I'm a sexy a slut, I'ma know them. All of your dirty ways, if you show them. Not like you shy, something when you don't know. Me like bad bitch, me like go-go. She like top pill, she like zone out. Let's do the chatting, do something with your throat all. No one a shy, she have to pour out. Puss in your mouth, make it come to your nose all. Come on, I see now you for know some girl call. And if she no monkeys, I no love her, just mockings, me know about. Alright, but in charge. Stop it, man, so I go with jazz. Clean skin, pussy, fat it, brother. When pack it tight, so when clap it fast. And it no take long for me drop it jazz. I fast my jigs off my dark, that is dark. She have to stop when she stop that. Style low, hey girl, me a man. Easy now, set the pussy right, this I'm gonna beat it up. Baby money at the least, so believe the cup. Them boy, then they ready, them a sweet it up.
Okay, man talking mine. Alright, so let me tell you my little thing about this song here. This song is really and truly, to be honest, not my type of song. You know, so it go. But for what it is and the category where it would find itself in is a very good song. Very, very good song. The rhythm, the beat by itself is good. Done by Russian, so that's no question. The flow of the guy, Rajahwhild, the flow is good. Refreshing flow. No. Flow is bad. Good. I like the flow. The context, say it's about the type of girl where him like, right? The next part is the type of man where the girl like. Zane, and as me say, it have a space in the world. Because you have some people are them type of people that them like. You have some girl, as I say, some people are them type of people that them like. So, yeah, they have a space in the world. So, me give this song for what it is. Straight up. Fire. I'm fire. Straight fire. Fire emojis like dirt. I'm fire. Fire. What you no think? Tell me where who no think about this song, yeah? Because me give this song thumbs up straight through for what it is.
Bars beats.